Hi, I'm Nate Thrasher.
And I'm Christian Kauffman, and this is 5 Questions with Nate Thrasher. First question is, what rider do you think is the best dressed?
In the team, I guess I would go with Pierce is pretty good dressed. I'll go with him. And walk-in fits, I'm not a big walk-in fit myself, so I feel like if I'm going to a nice dinner, I got a pretty good dress style. But yeah, walk-in fits, I keep it simple, keep it team logos, and yeah, that's it.
Who's the funniest rider on the team?
I don't know. I mean, each their own. I feel like, some people think some people are funny and some people don't. So, maybe a Mosman, everybody thinks he's funny, so I'll go with that.
Yeah, Mike will give you some good one-liners.
Yeah, he's got some good one-liners. Sometimes they hit and sometimes they don't.
I think this is a pretty easy one, but who's the biggest trash talker on the team?
I would have to go with Cooper Webb. I mean, he's definitely one of the best track talkers in the sport, so I'll go with him.
Yeah, I agree. Fourth question. What's the weirdest thing you've ever had to autograph? At a race, practice, amateur race?
Weirdest thing. I'd probably go with like a baby's head or something like that. I've had to. I would say that's a little weird. It's got why am I signing your kid? But yeah, it's a baby.
All right, final question. If you had to give any other rider access to your social channels for a full day, who is the last person that you would trust and why?
I'd have to go with Mosey. I mean, he'd definitely throw a fun fact in there, you know, and I don't know if I'm a fun fact guy, so I would probably go with Mosey on that one. Just, I don't need the fun facts in there, but it works for him.
All right, so this has been 5 Questions with Nate Thrasher, and I'll see you guys at the races.